Good morning, students. In concave mirror, we have learned how the image is formation, how can we obtain the image by using the concave mirror. There are 6 conditions for the image formation by the concave mirror, in which the special condition is when we place the object in between F and P. If we place the object in between F and P, the image formed is virtual, erect and larger than object. So this is a special condition. In last class, we learned how can we obtain the image by using the concave mirror. So for the next part of this chapter, that is a sign convention by the concave mirror. For the next part, first it is important that you should know that how images can be obtained by using the concave mirror. So after understand how can we obtain the image by the concave mirror, then we can continue with the next part, it is the sign convention. So sign convention is for finding suppose we want to find the focal length of the mirror, we have a mirror and we obtain the image by using that mirror. And suppose we want to find how much is the focal length of this mirror. So we can use the mirror's formula for finding the focal length. So this is a mirror. So I am explaining only about the concave mirror, not about the convex. In next class we will study about the convex mirror. This is the center of curvature and the half of the center of curvature is the focus. This is called the principal focus. The length of the center of curvature from the pole is called the radius of curvature. We have learned all these things already. And the length of the focus from the from the pole is called the principal focus. The focal length. So for if you want to find the focal length of this mirror, we have a formula. This is also called the mirror's formula. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. And what is the f, v and u here? The f is the focal length. So first write down this one, that f is the focal length. Focal length. And what is u? U is the distance of object from the mirror. Suppose we are placing the object here. So we will say this is u. I am not writing the sign here because after explaining how can we represent the sign, which type of sign we use for different symbols, I will write down the sign with u. So u means the distance of the object from the mirror. So u is the distance of object from mirror. Okay, clear? Now what is v? V is the distance of image from the mirror. If we obtain the image of this object by using the concave mirror, we know that if we place the object beyond C, then the image will always form between C and F, and it is real and inverted. One more thing, आपको मैंने पहले ही बोला था, साइन कन्वेंशन के लिए आपको सबसे पहले इमेजेस फॉर्मेशन अच्छे से आनी चाहिए. अगर आपको इमेजेस फॉर्मेशन अच्छे से आती है तभी आप इसमें आगे मूव करें, वरना इमेजेस फॉर्मेशन की एक बार फिर से प्रैक्टिस करें. तो v is the distance of the image from the mirror. तो suppose अगर मैं कह रही हूँ कि यहाँ पे इमेज बनती है, तो इस इमेज के distance from the mirror means from the pole is called the v. We represent it by v. V is the distance of image from the mirror. Okay. And then one more thing we will learn in the sign convention, that is the magnification. It is also called the linear magnification. Linear magnification represented by using m. M means magnification. Actually, the linear magnification is the ratio of the height of the image to that of the object. देखो magnification का मतलब क्या हुआ, कितना magnify हुआ. तो जब आप रेशियो निकालते हो इमेज और ऑब्जेक्ट की हाइट का, तो उससे आप निकाल सकते हो कि मैग्नीफाई कितनी हुई है इमेज. तो मैग्निफिकेशन इज एक्चुअली h2 upon h1. It is also equal to the minus v upon u. So basically the definition for magnification is the ratio of the height of the image to that of the object is called the magnification. So here what is v? We know that it is the distance of the image from the mirror, and u is the distance of the object from the mirror. And what is about the h1 and h2? Actually h1 is the height of the object. Height of object. And h2. h2 is the height of the image. So first of all, for numerical point of view, first we should know what is the meaning of all the symbols which we are using in the formula. So this is called the mirror's formula. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. If you know any of the two values from this f, v or u, you can find the third value. And this one is the ratio of the height of the image spread of the object. This is called the magnification. And we also use this formula for finding the height of the image. So these are the different symbols which we use in the sign convention. So okay, let's continue with the sign convention part. Okay, I'm going to rub this board. First of all, write down all the values here. Okay, like this. सबको नोट कर लो ताकि आपको समझ में आगे मैं क्या बता रही हूँ. I think I don't need to rub the board. देखिए, for the sign convention, for understand how we use the sign for this concave mirror, एक छोटी सी बहुत easy सी बात मैं आपको बताती हूँ. In mathematics, you learn about the x dash, y dash. This is the, what is called? This is called the Cartesian plane, है ना? This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis, and we know that this is the origin. And if we measure something towards this side, it means towards the right side, it is always positive, है ना? Or if we measure something towards the left side, it is always negative. And what's about the upward direction? If we move in the upward direction, it is always positive, and in downward direction, it is always negative. एक बार फिर से बोलती हूँ, इस origin से जो भी distance आप इस तरफ मेजर करते हो सब पॉजिटिव होती है, जो भी आप इस तरफ लेते हो सारी नेगेटिव होती हैं, ऊपर लेते हो पॉजिटिव होती है, नीचे लेते हो तो नेगेटिव होती हैं. अब क्या है, यही बिल्कुल हम यूज कर रहे हैं मिरर्स के लिए. तो अगर आपको ये चीज पता है तो आपके लिए साइन कन्वेंशन समझना बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. साइन कन्वेंशन में आप समझ लीजिए कि दिस पोल इज द ओरिजिन. If we measure some distance towards this side, it means towards the right side, it is always positive. And if we measure something towards the left side, it is always negative. And if we measure something towards in upward direction, positive, and in downward direction, it is negative. So it means if we represent the distance of the image from the mirror, you know, we measure this distance of the image towards this side, towards the right side, sorry, towards the left side. So it means u is always negative. Okay, and what's about the h1? Since height object हमेशा ही सीधा खड़ा होता है, object is always erect, it means h1 is always positive. And what is about the focal length? Since we use this focus of this mirror, it means we measure the focal length towards this side, it means it is always negative. So these values do not change ever in concave mirror. U is always negative, h1 always positive, and f is always negative. So this is constant values. These signs do not change anytime. And now, what's about the v and the h2? Let's see. In most of the cases, in 5 cases, if we place the object beyond c, at c, between c and f, at f, and at infinity, in all the 5 cases, we know that image is always real and inverted. Is it clear? Well, एक बार फिर से मैं आपसे बोलना चाहूंगी. Again, I want to tell you that you should always you will be very clear about the images formation. If you are not clear about the images formation, then first go with the images formation. उसको clear करो, जब वो समझ में आ जाता है उसके बाद साइन कन्वेंशन पे आगे मूव करना, क्योंकि साइन कन्वेंशन तभी कर सकते हैं जब हमें images formation आती है. So okay, so in most of the cases, it means in the 5 cases, the image is always real and inverted. If the image formed is real, it means it formed in front of the mirror. Or if the image is formed in front of the mirror, it means this side. And if the image is this side, it means it should be negative. So it means if you solve the formula, if you have to find the distance of the image from the mirror, you will put the value of f, you will put the value of u, and then you will find v. So in case if you find the value v negative, so don't write the answer with a negative sign. What is the meaning of this negative sign? Negative signs mean this image is real. एक बार फिर से समझाती हूँ मैं आपको कि अगर आपके पास आपको f पता है, u पता है, आपसे बताया पूछा जा रहा है कि बताइए इमेज कहाँ बनेगी, आप क्या करोगे? मेरा फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करोगे, v निकालोगे. So v can be positive, v can be negative. There are two cases. So if the v is negative, it means you will not write the negative sign with your answer. It means the image is real. And real image is always inverted. It means with this real image, h2, if we apply this magnification formula, the h2 will always negative. Why? Because the image is inverted. Real is always inverted. और जब inverted मिलेगी इसका मतलब आप इस तरफ measure कर रहे हो downwards. So it means negative sign show that image is inverted. So there is a meaning of these signs. आपको आंसर के साथ साइन नहीं लगाने हैं. They are the meaning of these signs and you have to use the meaning of the sign. Suppose the answer is minus 60 centimeter. Then you will say the image is real. Real image is found at a distance of 60 centimeter from the mirror. Again, so if the V is positive, only the one case is here where the V is positive. You know the case? If we place the object between F and P, the image is virtual, and virtual and erect. So if the V is positive, it means the image is formed towards this side, and this image is always virtual. Okay, and virtual image is always erect, so we will say that H2 will always be positive. Positive means erect image. So these are the meaning of the sign, and for the numerical point of view, you should know the sign. You can't solve the question without any sign. Answer आपका सही भी आ गया तो मेथड आपका गलत होगा. तो please write down these all values. It is really important, and then we will continue with the one example. Okay, now I am going to explain you one example of numerical of the concave mirror. So the question is find the size, nature and position of image. Okay, first of all you should know the meaning of all these terms. That is find the size. Size means H2 means the height of the image. Nature means is it virtual or the real, and we know that if V is negative it means it is a real image, and V positive means it is a virtual image. And position means the distance of the image from the mirror. So we have to find size, nature and position. It means we have to find the H2 and V, or the image formed when an object of size 1 centimeter. Please write down the question so that you can solve this question. When an object of size 1 centimeter. So what is this? Object of size 1 centimeter, it means it is H1. This is 1 centimeter. Is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from concave mirror. Now we are placing the object from the concave mirror at a distance of 15 centimeter. It means it is U. The distance of object from the mirror is U. And since we know that U is always negative, so U is how much? It is minus 15. So always write the values, write the figures with their sign. Okay, without sign you can't do any numerical. Okay, so the question is when an object of size 1 centimeter is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. So this is the focal length. Focal length is how much? It is 10 centimeter. And for the concave mirror, we know that focal length is always negative. So it means minus 10 centimeter. So by the question, first of all, write down the values you get from the question. That is, you get the value of H1, which is positive, U, which is negative, and F, this is negative. So okay, you have to find the size, nature and the position of the image. So using the mirror's formula. Mirror's formula is 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon V. So by using the mirror's formula, we can find the value of V, or whether it is positive or negative. It will define the image will be real or the virtual. So 1 upon minus 10 is equal to 1 upon V plus U is how much? Minus 15. So we know how can we solve these questions. 1 upon 10. We can write down the minus with the numerator. आपको पता है डिनोमिनेटर में नेगेटिव होता है, उसको ऊपर पहुंचा देते हैं. Is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon 15. Now you have to find this value V. So क्या करेंगे, इसको इधर ले जाते हैं. Since it is negative, so when we put this value here towards this side, it will become positive. So it is 1 upon 15 minus 1 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon V. इसको इधर ले आएंगे, positive हो गया. Minus 1 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon V. So we can solve it by using by taking their LCM. LCM is 30. It will be 2 and minus 3 is equal to 1 upon V. So it is minus 1 upon 30 is equal to 1 upon V. It means what is the value of V? V is equal to minus 30 centimeters. And I explained you what is the meaning of this minus sign. Minus sign means the image is real. So you will say real image. Real image at a distance of 30 centimeters from the mirror. Now again we have to find the size of the image. Okay. So for size of the image, we know the formula magnification is equal to h2 upon h1 is equal to minus v upon u. So we can solve we can find out the value of h2 by using this formula. We have to find h2. And what is the value of h1? It is 1 centimeter. Is equal to minus. V is minus 30. So always put all the values with their sign. And use how much? It is minus 15. So we can solve it. h2 will be minus 15 to the 30 minus 2 centimeter. So minus sign show that the image is inverted. Yes. So what is the meaning of the sign? V negative is real image and h2 negative is inverted image. Inverted image at the distance of 30 centimeter, real and inverted. Okay, we will write the real and inverted image at a distance of 30 centimeter, inverted image of size. Okay, again, real and inverted image of size 2 centimeter at the distance of 30 centimeter from the mirror. तो कहाँ बन रही है इमेज बन रही है, इमेज कैसी बन रही है, इमेज रियल है, इन्वर्टेड है, एट द डिस्टेंस ऑफ 30 सेंटीमीटर है, एंड द हाइट एंड द साइज ऑफ द इमेज इज 2 centimeter. So this is one of the example of the image numerical of concave mirror. So I will give you some questions related to the concave mirror, or if you have any doubt you can ask me in your Zoom class. Okay, bye.